Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Nautique G25. This boat is available here in Rogers. Got the beautiful Masters Blue metal flake on the exterior, which really pops in the light. We do have the Mystic white and then jet black hull bottom. So 25 foot in length, absolutely beautiful. We have the tower up here with the strapless board racks, and we'll kind of go over more of those features once we step inside. And then walking back here towards the swim platform, we have the sea deck, stainless steel ladder that does go into the water, and a nice grab handle to get inside the boat. We do have underwater lights on this boat, the NSS, the Nautique surf system. Basically these plates come out, and depending on what side you're surfing, shapes the wave for the surfer behind the boat. We have the surf pipe that shoots those emissions down into the water, and the Nautique configurable running surface. So when you're on a really heavy load, it's going to put your bow back on plane. And then this boat is also equipped with the steer assist. So really in tight situations, getting on and off docks, this boat will turn into 360. So let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. We're gonna start back here on the swim platform and then work our way into the boat. Right off the bat, we have two seats here in the back, which is great if you're anchored and hanging out on the water. It's a perfect spot to sit here and relax. We have cup holders. We also have a transom remote to control the music control. And then we have a built-in cooler back here too. So when you walk into the boat, we have the mocha brown non-skid. And it's a great entryway inside. You're not standing on all your upholstery and messing that up. Really, anywhere you go on the boat, you can step on sea deck and get back inside. This boat does have subfloor ballast, but we also have an additional 1,450 pounds of supplemental ballast. And then down here, you've got tons of storage for all your boards and accessories on the water. Looking at the upholstery here, beautiful. It really coordinates with the tower and the exterior of the boat. And then coming inside, we do have a seat right here that adjusts and folds back into place. So you can sit back, relax, and watch the show behind the boat. And then it easily slides into place. We have a great spot here for a cooler. So you can pop this out, fill it up with drinks, and then just bring it back to the boat. And then tons of storage on the boat. We've got a big hatch right here that goes way back. It can fit boards, and again, more items that you want to carry on the water. And then the tower. We do have the JL audio system on here, so it's a great sound quality. We got the additional speakers, the strapless board racks here. So these will fit any size board and swivel back into place. This tower actually folds down, and the bimini lays flat, so it's good for storage. And to have access to the bimini top, you just simply release this boot, and then for sun protection, the bimini top comes out, and then there's spots to store your boards as well. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the helm here. We have the beautiful race car inspired seat, so it's very easy to sit here and then turn to hang out with guests and see what's going on behind the boat. Ergonomically, this boat's very sound. We have the touch display screen and the recessed glove box. They're down low, so they're not blocking your visibility outside the boat. This boat just came in, so it's not rigged yet, but we do have the link pan array screen that can also adjust the enhanced lighting package that's on this boat. So you have every color in the spectrum that you can turn on and rotate through. And then we also have all of our engine vitals, our chart plotting. We have our ballast control and shift. Everything is so accessible on this boat. It makes life a lot easier. This boat is big. We have room for 19 passengers on here too. So plenty of room for your friends and family to come out and enjoy the water. So as we're standing here at the bow, this boat does have a bow filler cushion to make this a complete sun pad. Really wide bow here, which is great for plenty of room for your friends and family. So this boat just arrived. It's here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.